Hello, my name is Neha Desai and I am a student of Chanakya Mandal Parivar, and today I am going to talk about my UPSC journey. This was my third attempt, and so to speak, my studies for UPSC started in 2015 when I was in my fourth year of college. But in my first year I had done a foundation course in Chanakya Mandal, which I believe has helped me tremendously in understanding how to study and in general understanding a lot about myself, which was very useful in the interview process for the UPSC exam. From there I also started reading a little bit about different opportunities that I have beyond UPSC, which also made me realize why I wanted to do UPSC and how I can study better in this process. This was my third attempt, and in my first attempt I had cleared prelims but could not clear the mains. In my second attempt I was not able to clear the prelims itself. So I believe there are 2 or 3 things that I did differently in this third attempt, which have helped me secure rank 322 at the All India level. 2 or 3 of the things which I did differently were, in my first attempt I was not able to complete all the syllabus points that are given in the UPSC mains. Secondly, I was not able to construct my answers properly, and I lacked in giving proper formulated answers in UPSC mains. One of the primary reasons for that was I was very afraid of writing the papers, and that's why I refrained myself from writing anything down or getting my answers checked, because I thought my studies were not enough to write the answers. So this was one of the major mistakes that I tried to avoid this time, and even when I thought that I didn't know a particular answer, I tried to write it down and get it checked from various faculties. So that I believe has helped me a lot in clearing the mains. Secondly, neglecting the optional subject and a major part of history optional, which was the mapping portion, was I believe one of the major mistakes that I had done in my first attempt, which again I tried to rectify. In these 3 years that I have been studying for UPSC, apart from the syllabus or apart from any other technical aspect that I needed to finish, what I felt was believing that you could finish a certain portion in certain time, and believing that you are capable enough to do that has played a crucial role in maintaining the tempo of the studies for me personally, and has also helped me in maintaining my confidence while writing the exam. So because this is a very long process, I believe that not only how you study, but knowing that why you are studying this and why you want to clear UPSC provides one with enough clarity to continue with your studies even when the results are not what you want them to be. In this whole process, the foundation course and the UPSC comprehensive course that I have done in Chanakya Mandal has helped me a lot in streamlining my studies, and especially the special mains batch conducted by Dharmadhikari sir himself has helped me a lot in understanding the requirements of answer writing for UPSC, especially of essay and GS4, the ethics paper, and also it has helped me tremendously in my interview preparation. So I believe sticking to the basic books that we all know, basic minimum books, and revising them again and again, firstly. Secondly, trying to cover every point of the syllabus given in the UPSC mains syllabus, even the sub points, also in case of the optional, and giving mock interviews and taking the feedback positively are the 3 aspects that have helped me this time in achieving the rank in this year's UPSC. Thank you.